Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to be making a box using a 6x6 piece of paper. This is a great way to use your 6x6 paper pads. You will take and score at a 1/2 inch on all four sides. So we'll just rotate and score this at a 1/2 inch. And these are great little boxes to put in treats for Christmas. Now, for the orientation of the paper, you want the orientation away from you, and you will score at 2 3/4 and 3 1/4. This will mean when you fold the box, the paper will be in the right orientation. Now, you do not have to do this part, but I am marking these edges so you can see exactly where we're going to be cutting away the paper. So we'll be cutting away the paper on all four sides up to the score line for the 1/2 inch. When we cut away, we want to make sure that we cut a small little triangle of paper out. This will help it close easier, and you'll do that on the two sides of the paper at the top and bottom. On the sides of the paper, you're just going to cut 2 slits for the flap, and that flap will stay in place. And you'll just work yourself around the paper. This will just really make the box easier to close up. Now you'll want to go through and you will want to fold all your score lines. This will make it easier when you go to assemble the box. And here I realized that I did not cut the flap on one of the sides when I went to put it together, and so you'll notice that when I get to that part, I will cut that. Now, you'll want to flip your paper back over on the side you want to see, and I am using score tape, and I will put that on each of the 4 corners where we cut the flap and cut a small triangle piece out of it. And we will use this to adhere to the box, but we will not be putting it on the side flaps yet. That will actually be adhered inside the box. And I am using a bone folder to just put that score tape down. It makes it easier. And we will fold it up and meet the box at each of the corners. I think this box ends up just being the perfect size for little treats or anything little that you might want to give, or even make an advent calendar out. So here I realized I did not cut those flaps away, and I am going to adhere the tape down on those sides inside. And all we're going to do is remove the tape and fold it inside. That just makes the box a little sturdier when we put it together. You could also make this box with a piece of cardstock that's 6x6, that's 100-pound weight. And if you do that, you could decorate it with your 6x6 paper. Now here we have the box. It is all assembled, and you can see for demonstration how easy it is to put a couple treats in the box. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. This is a video from YouTube for a suggestion, and I hope you have a happy crafting and Merry Christmas.